Yeah, welcome back to the class, children. So you already know what is mole concept now. So we shall take up some three examples to calculate mole value. So first problem is calculate the number of moles for the following. So first one is 52 grams of helium. So they are giving the mass of the helium, right? So we need to find mole from the mass. So using a mass value, we are going to find the mole of helium. Okay, and the next one is 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 number of helium atoms are there. Okay, so finding mole from number of particles. So we need to find the mole using the number of particles. So first we shall solve the first question, that is 52 grams of helium. Okay, so we need to find the mole from the mass. So how do we can find it? First we shall know the given value. Okay, so first we shall know all the given. We'll write down the given values. So what is number of moles? So number of moles we shall denote it as small n. Okay, and what is a given mass? So given mass we shall denote it as small m. Okay, and next molar mass. So how can we denote molar mass? It is capital M. Don't write it small because this and this should not sync. So mass is small m, molar mass is capital M. Now what is a given number of particles? What is given number of particles? So we write it as n naught, that is Avogadro constant value. Sorry, number of particles is only n, sorry, not n naught, so it is only n. Now we shall take Avogadro number of particles. So now we shall write it as n naught. So this is the given, or we need to assume by symbols to calculate further. First is number of moles, which is equals to, we denote it as small n, given mass is small m, and molar mass is capital M, given number of particles is capital N, Avogadro number of particles is n naught. Now we shall substitute the values. So atomic mass of helium, that is He, is equals to 4 units. So you already know atomic mass unit of helium, right? That is 4. And what is the molar mass of helium? That is 4 grams, right? So molar mass is 4 grams. So we need to calculate number of moles. Thus the number of moles, which is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So what is the given mass? What is the mass given? So here number of moles is n. So n is equals to, what is given mass? How do you write symbol? It is small m divided by capital M. Okay, what is the small m value? They have already given, that is 52 grams, right? So it is 52 divided by, what is the mass? Just now we calculated, right? It is 4. So 52 divided by 4, that is 4 ones are 4, 1 remaining 12, 4 threes are 12, which is equals to 12. Okay, so now, sorry, 13. 4 threes are 12, it is 13, sorry, it is 13. Now the number of moles, therefore the number of moles, which is equals to 13. This is how you need to calculate. Okay. Okay, now we have calculated number of moles. Now we shall move on to the next sub question. That is, we already know. So we know that 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Right? This is Avogadro constant. So the number of moles is equals to number of moles, which is equals to given number of particles. Given number of particles all divided by Avogadro number. Okay. So now N is equals to moles. N is equals to capital N divided by N naught. That is given number of particles we have denoted as N. Right. So N divided by N naught. What is N value? That is, they have already given. So in the sub question they have already given 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. 044 into 10 to the power 23 all divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this one get cancels. This is divided with 2. So to answer is 2. So here the number of moles for this next sub question is 2. Okay. So this is about the first problem to calculate the number of moles. Clear, children? Next we shall consider calculate the mass of the following, that is 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. We should calculate mass from mole of the molecules. They have given the mole, we need to calculate the mass. Next question, 0.5 mole of N atoms, nitrogen atoms. So mass from mole of the atom. They have given mole value, we need to calculate the mass. So next, 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 number of N atoms, nitrogen atoms. We need to calculate mass from that number. Next is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of N2 nitrogen molecules. We need to calculate mass from the number. So first we shall take the first sub question. That is, mass is equals to molar mass into number of moles. Okay, so we need to calculate the mass. So we need to calculate the mass by multiplying molar mass into number of moles. Okay, that is M is equals to capital M into small m. Okay, small n. It is number of moles, right? Yeah, it is small n. So they have given the value, that is molar mass is, what is the molar mass? They have given it as a, so we need to calculate for N2. So what is N atomic mass? That is 14. So it is N2. What we are going to do, we will add 14 plus 14, which is equals to 28. So what is the mass now? It is 28 into, what is the number of mole they have given? They have given 0.5. Can you notice here, children? They have given 0.5 into 0.5 we shall do. Okay. So now the answer is 28 into 0.5. It is 14 grams. So first one we have calculated. Next, coming to second one. So same thing. So we need to take the same formula. M is equals to capital M into N. Okay. So now what is the mass? It is the mass of nitrogen, only one, right? So it is 14 into, they have given the mole, that is 0.5. So that is 7 grams. Right. Next, third sub question. So they have asked to calculate the mass from the given number. So the number of moles, N is equals to, so we need to take N is equals to given number of particles. Okay, so given number of particles all divided by Avogadro number. That is n is equals to capital N divided by n naught. Okay. So now what is the value? Substitute the value 0.11. They have already given the value into 10 to the power 23 all divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So just keep this value, and we know that m is equals to capital M into n, right? So which is equals to 14 into, substitute this value 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 all divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So what is the value that we are getting? 14 into, if we divide this, we are getting 0.5. So which is equals to 7 grams. Correct? Yes. Next, last question. So we need to calculate mass from the given number. So same way, n is equals to, fourth problem, I'll write it here. N is equals to capital N divided by n naught. So that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 all divided by same values 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So we know that m is equals to, mass is equals to m into n divided by n naught. So here we are getting the value n by n naught is 1, because both the values, if we divide 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, ones are same thing. So it is 1. So what is the mass of the given element n? So n2, right? It is n2, so it is 28 into 1. So what is the value? We are getting 28 grams. So the mass is 28 grams. So this is how you need to calculate. So the last problem that we are looking into is calculate the number of particles in each of the following. First, they have given 46 grams of sodium atoms. We need to calculate number from mass. They have given the mass, we need to calculate the number. And they have given next sub question as 8 grams of oxygen molecules, and we need to calculate number of molecules from this mass. Okay. And 0.1 mole of carbon atoms they have given. So we need to calculate number from the given moles. So they have given the moles, we need to calculate the number. So we shall do step by step. I have just changed the pen. Okay. So first one is number of atoms. So the number of atoms, okay, so which is equals to given mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number, that is n naught. Okay, so here n is equals to m by small m by capital M into n naught. So number of atoms is n. Okay, given mass is small m and molar mass is capital M, and Avogadro number is n naught. So we shall substitute the value. So m they have already given, that is 46. Okay, so what is molar mass? What is molar mass of sodium? That is 23. Okay, into Avogadro constant number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So what is the value? N is equals to 12 into 044 into 10 to the power 23. So this goes by, you have to divide this and you need to multiply with the like what the answer you have got, you need to multiply with that. Fine. Next, second one, the number of molecules is equals to, so what the thing you need to find, you write it in the left hand side. The number of molecules which is equals to given mass divided by molar mass, same thing, into Avogadro number, that is N naught. So we shall substitute the value N is equals to small m divided by capital M into N naught. So that is 8 by 32. So they have given 8 grams. Oxygen is 16 into 2. Okay, that is 32. Into what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so what is the value we are getting? N is equals to 1.5055 into 10 to the power 23. Right? So that is, we can write it as 1.51 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate. Now you need to solve the last one. What is the last question? 0.1 mole of carbon atoms is given. So the number of particles atom is equal to, we need to find out the number of particles, right? So we need to calculate. So I'll take it as N is equals to N into N naught. So that is number of moles of particles into Avogadro number. What is moles? They have given 0.1. They have already given the value. Next is N naught, that is constant, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So what is the value you will get? You will solve it finally. So that is nothing but into 1 is nothing but same. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? So this is how you need to calculate the moles. Okay? So easy? Yes? We shall solve it in the live class also, so that you'll understand much better. See you all children. Have a good day.